How to update phone number in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Log into your account using your user ID and password. Next, navigate to the settings section in your online banking dashboard, usually found in the menu. Then, click on the Profile tab. In the Profile settings, locate the Phone Number section where you can update your contact number. Click on the phone number field. Carefully enter your new phone number and double check for accuracy. After making the changes, save your updated information by clicking the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. If you have trouble updating your phone number online, you can contact Fifth Third Bank customer service or visit a nearby branch to update your number in person. Keeping your phone number updated ensures you receive important alerts and notifications from the bank without interruption. And that's it. Now you know how to update phone number in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.